it is still far too cold to be doing this. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And you're doing it with me. Are you ready? Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and yeah, it is still cold. It's supposed to be up to 60, near 60 degrees today, but right now it is about 21 degrees. I know the weather is an issue here in Northeast Wisconsin, and I know I'm still adapting and learning about how the whole weather thing works, but it's cold. And I want the heat. However, I still have things to do to get my RV ready for the start of the season. And today, I am going to just kind of clean out the place. Now, you may remember last season, I talked about decluttering. And I did an episode where I actually took you through some of the cabinets, took some things out, put them in boxes, and had them ready to go to some thrift stores. I didn't actually get a chance to take them, so I'm going to take those boxes and put them in the car today and take them on and drop them off. The other thing that I need to do is just kind of pick up some of the stuff that I had to protect my RV during storage, to protect it from the rodents, and it did a really good job. And then I just want to clean things up and get it ready. So you're going to be coming with me as I do part of this. There's a lot to do, and oh man, hopefully the heat will come on fairly soon here and it'll be warm again. And when I mean the heat, I mean the sun. So fast forward to today, and I am now cleaning out my RV. Lots to do. I'm also going to open up the slides and just see how they are. And all in all, just try to start getting this RV up and ready for what hopefully will be the start of the season just around the corner. Let's get started. Now I get this may not be the most sexiest video in the world, but it's one that needs to get done. Lots of stuff to get cleaned up. So I got pretty much everything off the floor that I used to store the RV with: the dryer sheets, the peppermint balls, the Irish Spring. Now I'm gonna just open up the slides, make sure everything's okay there, sweep up under there, and then start taking some of the stuff out of the RV that I need to take back. A couple of blankets and things like that I want to wash and get ready for the season. Then I want to make sure all of the stuff that I took out of the cabinets before and I'm going to take to a thrift shop, I get those into the car as well. So I've swept up all of the floors. I'm now going to actually wash them down. I have some Swiffer laminate floor cleaner. I'm going to put that down, start cleaning up the floors. Hey, just a quick reminder, if you like the content you're seeing on the channel, please click and subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way, whenever a new video comes out, you'll be notified right away. really nice. Everything's all clean, so that part is done. I'm probably gonna just now take everything out of the RV, put it into the car that I need to take home and take to the thrift shop. So I have pretty much everything done that I need to do here right now. I'm gonna pull in the slides, park the RV, and then drop off the stuff that I pulled out of the RV. Just a couple hours here today, but just, you know, some of the things you have to do as you get ready to start the RV season. Okay, so I got everything done in the RV. It's closed up now, off to the thrift store to drop off some of the stuff, and then also going to throw some trash away. Whew, it's just a couple of hours, but it still was, you know, tedious, long, but glad it got done. Also glad that I did it early in the morning. You know, it was cold when I first started. It's still just about 33 degrees now. It was 21 when I started, and it was early, somewhere around 5 in the morning. I like to get up early, do all of the work that I need to do, and then, you know, just go about the day. So that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on the blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, get your RV ready for the season. It will happen sooner than you think. Thanks. Have a great day.